In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Shopify's code editor. Navigating the back end of your Shopify store might seem daunting at first, especially if you're looking to make custom changes directly in the code. Whether you're trying to tweak a theme, debug an issue, or simply understand the structure of your store's code, being able to efficiently search through your Shopify code is a crucial skill. Fortunately, Shopify provides a user-friendly code editor that you can utilize to find exactly what you're looking for, and I'm here to guide you through the process. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Shopify website. Upon arrival, you'll notice the option to log in. Click on Login to proceed. This is your first step towards accessing the back end of your store, where all the magic happens. As you move on to the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. But there's a nifty trick here. If you have multiple accounts or simply prefer using your email to log in, you'll want to type highlight in the username field. This isn't your average login step, but it's a neat shortcut to bring up the continue with email option. Click on that to proceed exactly as it suggests. After you've selected to continue with your email, a familiar scenario unfolds if you've linked your Google account to Shopify. You'll be presented with the choice to select an account if you've used multiple Google accounts on your device. Choose the account associated with your Shopify store to move forward seamlessly. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you control every aspect of your store, from product listings to analytics. But what we're interested in today is tucked away under the online store section. Navigate there to get one step closer to the code editor. Inside the online store section, your eyes should dart towards the themes you have installed. Themes define the look and feel of your store, and to customize them further, you'll need direct access to their code. Find the theme you wish to edit, and notice there are 3 dots representing an options menu on the theme preview. Click on those dots to unveil the options available for your theme. One of the options you'll see is Edit Code. This is your gateway to the Shopify code editor, where all your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and liquid files reside. Click on Edit Code to jump right in. Now here you are, staring at a plethora of files that make up your website. The Shopify code editor is designed to be intuitive, but scanning through dozens of files for a specific snippet of code can be like finding a needle in a haystack. Fortunately, the editor comes equipped with a robust search function. When looking to search for anything within the code editor, you'll want to utilize the built-in search functionality. It operates similarly to the search function in other text editors. Simply type what you're looking for and it will highlight occurrences of the text within the open files or even files not currently open in the editor. This feature becomes incredibly handy when you're trying to locate a specific piece of code without flipping through each file manually. Remember, knowing how to navigate and utilize the search function in Shopify's code editor is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you start making your desired changes, whether it's updating a color scheme, adjusting a layout, or adding custom functionality. The ability to search through code efficiently will significantly enhance your ability to make meaningful customizations to your store. That wraps up our guide on how to search within the Shopify code editor. Armed with this knowledge, you're well on your way to customizing your Shopify store to better suit your brand and your customers' needs. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep optimizing your store to provide the best possible experience for your visitors. Thank you for watching and happy coding.